So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix your sim is not supported error on iPhone when we try to install any eSIM on that iPhone. Okay, if you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, keep watching full video. After watching this video you can easily fix that error on your iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time. And firstly, you have a eSIM card for your iPhone. So let's start the procedure. Firstly, open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings you can see appears on screen. Here are showing mobile services. Okay, make sure your iPhone connected with Wi-Fi. You can see appears on screen this iPhone connected right now on a Wi-Fi network, and then fix that issue. Okay, now you need to tap on mobile services. You can see appears on screen. Here are showing mobile services. Tap on mobile services. Okay, and you can see appears on screen. Here are showing set up mobile services. Tap on that option. Wait for a moment, it will take some second to next procedure. After that you can see appears on screen the same error appears on screen that I show in the start of video. You can see it's asking for connect Oman Tel for assistance, because in that iPhone we have eSIM from Oman. Okay, tap on other option. You can see appears on screen. Now you can see appears on screen. Here are showing transfer from nearby iPhone. If you have any iPhone that nearby and you are using on that SIM card on that iPhone, just tap that one. And if you are using and you want to use your QR code, select other one. Okay, there are two options that will connect your iPhone to the eSIM. Suppose right now I am selecting the transfer from nearby iPhone. Okay, you can see appears on screen. Here are showing to transfer a phone number from another iPhone. Make sure your other iPhone is nearby, unlocked, has Bluetooth on, and is using iOS 17 or later. So if you want to connect from other iPhone, make sure this kind of condition also complete on other iPhone. Okay, if you want to use a QR code, just go back and select the use QR code. You can see appears on screen. Here are showing QR code. Just scan the eSIM QR code, and after that you can easily use eSIM card on your iPhone and also set up a mobile network. So friends, there are two options. You can easily use them and install mobile network on your iPhone. After watching this video you can understand how it is possible and how you can do that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.